Just got this in. So this is the Hubsan Nano Q4 SE. And look at how small this drone is. It's so small that you can actually balance it on your pinky. And look at that. It's basically a pinky drone. That's how small this is. I mean, in a video, you might look at this and not realize how small it is, but this thing is small. It is probably the smallest drone I have flown to date. It doesn't have any camera on it. It doesn't have an altitude hold or anything like that. It's pretty much a very basic drone. It's got this little thing on the back here. This is actually the charge pin, and it connects over USB. This is its little micro battery, which you're probably going to get about like 5 minutes of flight time out of, which is amazing given that the fact the thing is basically the size of my thumbnail. So I'm going to fly it outside. Generally, you really need to have no wind at all outside to fly this. As you can see, these trees are not moving at all. So we're out in the best possible condition that we can be here. You fly this in the wind, any wind, you are going to lose it. This is the controller. It actually comes with this nice little convenient carrying case, as you can see here. And that's it. That's the whole drone. You can keep it in your pocket or whatever. It's got these little red lights and blue lights for orientation, but you're really going to have a hard time seeing it, especially when it gets far away from you. So, you're going to have to keep that thing close. All right, so there it is on the ground. Again, look at how small that is. It's just unbelievable. Right, so to bind this quadcopter, we're going to turn the controller on. We're going to do bind sequence. Up, down, and once you hear that, you are good to go. The controls are very basic, so I'm just going to go over them right now. You're going to long press on the left stick to do a flip. You're going to short press on it to enable headless mode, and then this mode, this right stick here, changes the speeds. Those are your rates. All right, so let's launch. So that's it. Trying to keep it real close. My God. That is a small drone. The dog's very interested in this. Let's do a little flip. Wow. You see that? You gotta be so careful. Hey. All right, so let's turn on the extra. This is the yaw in the first rate or the first speed. Let's turn up the speed just a tad. All right, so that's the yaw in the highest rate. It's only got 2 rates. You can hear that indicated by the beeps. Again, that's the left. That's the right stick. All right, so I'm going to leave it on the highest rates. It's about 22 degrees right now, so it's going to be questionable as to how much flight time we get. I know it's advertised as 5 minutes. We might only get 4 because of how cold it is outside right now. Alright, so the battery died, and that's just because of the cold out here. So it took about 3 minutes for the battery to die. So if it's cold outside, you're going to really shorten the battery life on this thing. But I've got it charged back up, so I'm going to get it back in the air, and we'll just see how far it'll go in terms of range, just for fun. Let's see. Here we go. I'm going to keep it. Wow, I can't even see it. It's all the way down by the tree over there. Well, that is a ridiculous range. Oh, it's over there. It's over there. Okay. I know I just dropped it. Now we get to have the fun of finding it in the grass. There it is. That's exactly why you don't do that. And we're blinking because of the low voltage as we orbit this little light here. Oh! The cold is just killing everything today. Whew. Yep, that was it. That's it for the battery on this one. So what do I think of the Hubsan Nano Q4 SE? I love it. I think it's a really cool little drone. I definitely think it's more suited for indoor use, but it's always fun to push the limits of little models like this and see how they do outside. If you take it outside, be careful because you could lose it forever within just a few minutes. For a drone that you can literally fit on your freaking pinky, I'd say that's a pretty good deal. That's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the review, and as always, let me know if you have any questions, and have a great day, guys.